What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to install an extremely simple chimney cap here. It's adjustable, so it goes towards different sizes within a certain, few inches anyways. So I found this one here at Lowe's, but they have them on Amazon and I'll have them linked down in the description below. Airplane is flying over just in time. I'm on the lake today, as you can see the water behind me. All right, sorry about that. So yeah, we're gonna be installing this today. It's really quick, hopefully just a 2 or 3 minute video. Let's get into it. Whew, it's a hot one today already and I haven't even began working yet. This is a chimney cap here and this is gonna be a really quick video on how to install one of these. This one cost me about $8. It was on clearance. I think normally they're like 40 or 50 bucks, but currently, I'll show you the state of mine right now, but it's just, does not block out any rain or acorns or anything else falling through this chimney and going straight to my bottom floor. So I'm gonna open this up. Extremely simple. Packet of hardware. And depending on what size chimney cap you need, this is it here. This one is adjustable. So depending on the size of your actual chimney, you can see it allows for screws to be inserted in different areas. So there's elongated holes like that there, which give you a few inches to work with on each side. So you have 4 of these brackets here and you're gonna start screwing in just a couple of turns. And this might be why it's on clearance. These are actually pointed and the point is to have them flat so it'll actually put pressure onto your chimney cap. So I don't know, this is now gonna maybe fracture my clay. We'll see, but just something like that, a couple of turns in there, whoops, to get you started. Like that. Then you're gonna take this little prong sticking out, put it in through that groove right there, and twist it to where the screw is on the outside so you can access it, and this will actually grip the inside of the clay. And do that with all of these. There it goes. Okay, I'm gonna do that with these other, where I can use 2 hands. Just like that, my screws are all on the outside. So you can see how it'll adjust based off the size here. Time to take this up on the roof. This part's a little bit janky here. This ladder's from the 70s. So you can see they just put like a grill rack up here with some wire tie downs. But I mean, anything can come through here, right? So we need to fix that. I also need to patch up these cracks as well, maybe seal this whole top up. All right.
Put our cards on the table here, General.
You're scared of me because you can't control me.
Okay, now I just set this on top. It's not fastened, but you can see I got this side wrapped around. It's not screwed, I actually took it out. But that side is in, so what I'm gonna, and it's slid all the way over. This one here, you can see I'm gonna have to slide it all the way over here too. So this will barely fit my needs. I actually gotta take these screws out. I don't know why they tell you to pre-install them. So these 2 are now set. All right, so I'm now going to take this screw out as well. Okay, that's rested in there, but you can see this whole thing isn't centered. So I'm gonna slide the whole thing over. Okay, it's pretty centered, so now I just need to attach that one, which I'm gonna need 2 hands for. All right, in. You can see that one way back there is in, and what I mean by in is it's grabbing. So even as is, it's pretty good. A strong wind could maybe take it off, but now you screw these in, which again, I don't like that it's a tipped head. Maybe I'll cut that off. So the idiot that designed this put a pointed head in the box, but even has a picture of a flat one like that there, which is what it's supposed to be. So I need to figure out if I should grind this down or drill a hole into my clay. Either way, it's an extra step that I'm not too thrilled about. One thing I learned when I was short of my socket set is you can actually put hex screws like this into your drill directly, and it'll help give you some, I don't know, torque or whatever compared to using a flathead. So it's going in a little bit, but it's holding it really snug right there. That's not going anywhere, which is good. I don't really want to drill through my clay too much. All right, there you have it. So I didn't actually even drill into any of these others. You can see it's just a very sharp point digging into the clay, and it's holding it on really well because it's locked into the metal there. So that one's a little crooked because it was left-handed, but same thing. That one dug into the clay a little bit. And then same for the very back. So it's all good. It is snug as could be. I mean, these things aren't sliding or moving anywhere. So I'm very happy with it. So thanks for watching this video on how to install a chimney cap. It only took a few minutes to do, even though the screws were kind of wonky on there. It's that simple. I'll link some of these down in the description below to where you can get them off of Amazon. If you're lucky like me, Lowe's may still have some on clearance, but this wasn't even in the chimney department. It was actually in the plumbing venting department, where all their other chimney caps were in the chimney lumber roofing department. So I got lucky finding this bad boy. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any other questions down in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks.